Alright, quick little pit stop here as we head south towards Glasgow. Falls of Falloch, just about in, definitely on the low side, but enough water to go fly off it. I think this will probably be, mate, about a minute of kayaking.
I have had worse ratios than this for certain things, so I'll take it. Low water to UK, it's on day 2, lower than ever, more fun than ever. Not that cold, so I'll take it. I'll take it, mate. I'll take it.
Mate, I don't think I'm even going to bother getting changed. I'm just going to put my dry suit over this.
Let's do it.
On my way down south to Kendal Mountain Film Festival. Couple of awesome laps with the boys. How was it?
Good. Scrapey, cold, pretty much perfect UK summer, I guess. Happy days.
Right, yeah, I thought it was going to be a bit low. It was good.
I'm just still so stoked with my decision, right? Look at that. Wet kayaking equipment, bone dry clothes I wore underneath wet kayaking equipment to go kayaking. Genius! Meanwhile,
You filming me doing my trousers up, my friend?